Oh, you rich but you don't trick? It's crazy. Tricks aren't for kids. Born, if you ask me. I know I had this mask on for too fucking long. Look, my skin absorbed all this shit. So I did clean up my place. Like, it is a little bit more cleaner and organized. I changed these sheets. We're gonna burn those later on in the night. It feels good in here. I honestly like how it feels in here right now. I got the fucking diffuser, but like, it's not fucking diffusing. I'm gonna try to not cuss so fucking much. We will be right motherfucking back. Okay, guys, so I am doing my hair now. Low-key the inspo. We're gonna get the energy drinks. That's it.
How old are you?
21.
Sure. You look like 19, 20.
No. Do you want to bet?
Damn. You won.
I don't
charge the whatever you want.
Watermelon. Hey, thank you. I got us a freebie box.
Look at my ass right here. I'm sorry.
We're on the fucking sidewalk. Oh, she's insane. Oh. Sports mode, real quick.
It's an SRT, obviously.
Come pull up on me. Oh, there she go. Take a shot. I ate Farmwood Boys before, but it's actually pretty fire. Honestly, I would eat like in and out. Like,
nothing great. My breadsticks were clean.
I forgot my ID, guys. And I was gonna drive like an hour home to go get it.
Mom came in clutch.
I heard milk.
W milk. And now we are on our way. It's like about to be 7:30, and literally Party Next Door performs at 8:30. Bitch, I see no sizzle on here. No.
I said Summer Walker video.
Oh, true. It's a little update. We fucking finally made it. It just let us fucking know that Party Next Door is next. We are whores for Party Next Door. This is about to be a great night. It's fucking cold.
The VIP.
This is VIP, huh? What you bitches know about VIP?
Can't sit with us.
No.
Y'all, what the fuck? I'm pissed. Because we paid that extra ass money to get into VIP. Whole time VIP shut down. Bitch, it's 8:31. Y'all see that?
We're not gonna see shit.
What are you talking about? Take it up rolling loud.
Well, bring them here. Where they at? Bring them here. Tell them to come down here. I paid a separate entry. Everybody's laughing at us. Paying extra money for this. Bring them here. Dispute. Do you not dispute?
Party Next Door is performing. I love Party Next Door.
I had to forget my fucking menu.
Look at it says they crossed out yes for baby strollers. Like, people are already leaving for fucking. So glad I'm faded for this. Look beat up. Good morning shot.
I'm scared.
Chat, should I cry now? Low-key, the house is like right here. But I mean, you want to see if there's parking?
Fucking testing.
Little update with the vlog. We're fucking filming. We're filming a
Hey guys.
cross fit
Cross
get ready with me on my shit, and then we're kind of like doing the same shit on hers.
Yeah.
It's already like 2. We low-key need to hurry the fuck up.
Bitch. Yeah, bitch. You did your big one with these.
Those are pussy fire.
Okay, right after Cali is Boo Bugs.
We did mix. Ski Mask the Slum God. I love him. I'm losing track of my days.
So Future, Metro.
Jesus, girls.
We already believe in Jesus. How?
Post me your story for a free edible. Yes, tag me on your story for a free edible. Candy cane.
You know, like that.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Support small businesses.
Yes, ma'am. I'm screaming, crying, throwing up right now. That means we can see the daddies in the light. We're taking the edible already. And then we're gonna eat the face.
There's another piece in there.
I know, but that's the half of the piece. Oh, bitch, wait. It's 1,000.
All these bitches ready, got a turn shit. Alright, get these bitches phone. We ain't taking pics. It's the one I want to grab. Would you look at this? When I want my bitch, all her fans. Why the fuck you just saying something? Can't believe this. If you really got this, all of it, leave this bitch.
It's cold as fuck.
I hate texting.
Classy nails, French tip. These niggas can't sit with you. Right toes for the hoes.
This is how you know we bad bitches.
213.
We found them again.
Finally ready, and we're on our way to part 3. We're rolling out.
Part 3, but we're gonna get a motherfucking car wash because this shit is crunchy. We're on the way. We're going to the car wash. I don't know if we already said that, but
To the car wash.
going to the car wash. What the I like bitches with big titties. Sorry, girl. Hold on.
Take your time. I have to be.
Okay, yeah, let's go.
Wait, no, finish it.
Fuck no, that was ugly. Wait, okay, let's crop that at least. Okay, let's go. Day fucking 3, guys. We made it. You know, just being ratchets. Everybody wanna fuck desvlogs, so everybody. You guys, Ski Mask is performing, and I felt like drinking a Four Loko.
I got a job, but staying so long and I got they doing numbers like gangs. I'm on her head like a tango. If you ain't know what I'm saying.
So I got this shit. I got pulled pork mac and cheese with the cornbread while Melody is in the motherfucking bathroom. This is activity again.
Interning? I worked there. I interned last year.
It's currently 8:53, and we're about to see Future and Metro Boomin.
Technically, we're supposed to been see
Chat. It's supposed to start at 8:30.
My stomach is doing flips and tricks.
You're doing Olivia Rodrigo.
I don't think it's a good idea to eat fucking meat macaroni with fucking Four Loko. Motherfuckers is so late.
Here's the motherfucking tea. We are pulling up to a club where one of our homegirls is at in Hollywood. They let me in.
Okay, guys, we gotta run right now.
We just made money off the clock.
I'm gonna show you bitches how to pimp. Wait, take his money, then you dip on him. Yeah. I'm like, where we at? Going to an afters, bitch.
The afters after.
Oh my god, Megan Thee Stallion is on this Nike board right now. Fucking queen.
Fucking does love Megan Thee Stallion.
Fucking love.
I'm like, as we're listening to Nikki.
Oh no.
Oh, sure.
Oh, when I said a gang bang.
Oh.
Oh.
We motherfucking told y'all we were gonna get in.
That one's for you, Riri. Lick us out. Baby's all white. These ain't no Huarachi.
See, chat. This is my first time doing a hookup.
This is my first time. No, this is my first time.
Make them hoes mad. Show me how you fuck a baby dad.